The most important decision to make in any medical malpractice case is the initial determination of, is this a case that can be tried in front of a jury or settled prior to trial. As a physician, I review the medical records and make that determination myself and determine basically if there is evidence of negligence, that is, care that is below an acceptable standard of care for physicians in the community or hospitals, and is that care the cause of the injury or death. And that very often is a determination that is made very early in the case based upon the medical records, regardless of what the physicians are telling the patient or the family. And once we determine that, yes, the negligent care was a cause of the injury or death, those are the kinds of cases that we can pursue to successful conclusion.
Record medical malpractice settlement.
A huge malpractice judgment, a multi-million-dollar lawsuit, the largest malpractice judgment in this state's history.
The largest medical malpractice award in California history.
$21 million.
$32.5 million. $43 million.
$43.5 million. $47 million. $460 million. It is the largest malpractice judgment in California history.
Beverly Hills attorney Bruce Fagel,
one of LA's top malpractice attorneys.
Mr. Fagel, or should I call you Dr. Fagel? You're also a physician.
Bruce Fagel, who is both a doctor and a lawyer, will represent the Gathers family in court.
Dr. Bruce Fagel, an attorney and medical doctor.
Shamoon family attorney Bruce Fagel is also a medical doctor.
Bruce Fagel practiced emergency medicine for 10 years. He then became a lawyer and now specializes in medical malpractice cases.
All right, Dr. Bruce Fagel, attorney and doctor as well, now malpractice attorney. Does it smack of malpractice to you?
They are now in a subset population that is, by definition, high risk for the development of various types of cancers.
In the face of no information other than the fact that this was a 2-year-old child with a cardiac arrest, to turn that child away is absolutely inexcusable. Individuals not directly involved with the medical care and treatment of Hank Gathers or responsible for that by law were nonetheless involved in making medical decisions. Put yourself in the position of a family and seeing your son, your relative, drop down. 2 doctors are there. You know there's something wrong with his heart, and the doctors are standing there looking around for nothing, nothing's going on for minutes, agonizing minutes.
There's nothing that within the standards of care of the practice of medicine and what nurses do in hospitals that would in any way justify or explain what happened to this gentleman.
The child was found face down in his crib and not breathing.
The amount of the verdict was based on the cost of her medical care. It's simply that expensive to take care of her. And the jury felt it was important to award her enough so that she would be taken care of medically for the rest of her life.